Welcome. Good of you to join me on this rainy day. Now, most of us would tend to stay in, cooped up, next to a fire, reading a book. And often rain is associated with so-called bad weather. But in fact, as with everything in the universe, there is yin and there is yang. Without the rain, there would be no sun, and vice versa. Without the rain, there would be no green. So when you go out into the rain, absorb it, enjoy it. You may have some people you know who say, well, if I live in a climate that is all rainy all the time, I couldn't live there. I would be depressed. In fact, it's now the middle of March, midwinter spring, and some people are still getting over SAD, especially here in England, where the sun rarely shines. But they don't realize that the rain is just as positively beneficial for them because of the negative ions, which actually help the mood. It's nature's natural high. Ironically, the negative ions. So here we have a balancing force. The negative and the positive create harmonious balance, microcosmically, macrocosmically. You are thus encouraged to go out into the rain, rejoice in the rain, sing in the rain, for the rain it raineth every day. Plants and the trees around us, and without them, we wouldn't have our oxygen. And without the rain, they would not be able to give us oxygen. So in this sense, everything is interconnected. So the two takeaways here, A, negative ions are very good for you indeed. B, stepping outside of and stretching your comfort zone, because we've been conditioned into a hyper comfort, a hyper convenience. So, first world problems. First world problems of the digital age. And we need to tap back into the core of what our ancestors would have done. The very lack of convenience and comfort was the norm back then, and they adapted accordingly. So much for technological progress. We have in fact regressed, getting all too used to comforts and conveniences. We must count our gifts, count our graces that surround us all. And not be too dependent upon technology, for the ultimate technology is here. It lies within us. We are naturally self-sufficient. We have our inner resources, and the technological magnificence that surrounds us today, which includes all the comfort and convenience, has to do with us. Man-made machine, not the other way around. But it's high time to return to at least the awareness of our organic technology right here, right now, that lies within. So, on a rainy day like this, you may wish to stay in, get comfortable with your convenient instant Wi-Fi, check your Facebook and whatnot. But the rain is something to be taken advantage of as well, not just the sun. For the rain implies that the sun is yet to come. As a partner video, I would encourage you to check out my episode on Sungazing in the link below. So go be free and have fun and have faith, for the rain is your wet playmate.